Welcome to the Blending with Henry show. Hey you guys, this is part 2 of my Vitamix tips, tricks, and hacks you probably never knew about. Now this should help you love your Vitamix even more. So let's get started. Make your non-preset Vitamix have presets. Now this pertains to the Ascent and Venturous machines. The Vitamix Ascent A3500 is their top-of-the-line machine with all the bells and whistles. You'll get a touchscreen, programmable timer, rotary variable speed dial, and 5 presets. Now for some, it may be out of their price range. And for that reason, some may opt for the Ascent A3300, which is the same as the A3500 but has no presets. Now others may prefer the entry-level Ascent A2300, no touchscreen and no presets. Or the Venturous model that is an extension of the Ascent line and offers variable speed control, toggle on and off switch, and dedicated pulse. Of course, no presets. Regardless of the higher cost, some may still wish their Vitamix had presets like the A3500. Well, now you can have presets, plus you can get a whole lot more once I tell you about this hack. The Vitamix Perfect Blend app allows you to have a plethora of presets, you guys, and you don't need to buy the scale or buy anything for that matter. Now look at all these preset choices available just by using the app on your smartphone or tablet. Now it's done wirelessly through Bluetooth. Now you get presets for nut butters, foams, dressings, spice grinding, baby food, frozen desserts, and much more. Let me show you how to get this. From the App Store, type in Vitamix in the search window. Now you'll see Vitamix Perfect Blend from the choices. Choose the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. Now I already downloaded it, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now the app opens and allows you to have access to a bunch of recipes free of charge, and it includes free updates. Now from here, turn your Vitamix on and click Blender at the bottom. Now once you've connected your Vitamix to the app, it will show your machine and suddenly it will have a lot more functionality from all the presets. I'm using the Venturous V1200 and I'm choosing the cleaning preset. Now notice the preset commands the Vitamix to set at a 35-second timer. Now at the bottom, you see the blue square-like object. Now I don't know what that shape is called, you guys, okay? But that's the blend cycle, all right? Now the app is telling me to press the start button. When the blend cycle rises to the peak, it will automatically increase the speed of the Vitamix. When the blend cycle is complete, it will automatically stop the Vitamix. And that is how you turn your non-preset Vitamix into a preset machine on steroids. If I had a nickel for every time someone asked me if they got a refurbished machine simply because their Vitamix shipped in a brown box, well, you know how the rest goes, okay? So you guys, you ordered this beautiful copper metal finished Vitamix Pro 750 on Vitamix.com, and it arrives at your doorstep in this Vitamix labeled brown box. Well, thinking it's just a shipping box, you open it up expecting to see the white picture box with all the advertisements and recipe pictures like what you saw in your big box store. There's no mistake here, you're supposed to receive the brown box with your Vitamix safely packaged in it. So why didn't you get the picture box? Here's why. For most models ordered on Vitamix.com, they are shipped out in a brown box that doubles as the container package for your Vitamix. That's because when you go to big box stores, there's no salespeople to help you choose the best blender. Now for that reason, you'll see the picture box which has all the features, benefits of the machine, and recipe samples. Now this makes it easy for the customer to get an idea which model to buy. On Vitamix.com, they show you the recipe samples, way to use your Vitamix, and they have Blending with Henry videos on YouTube to help them out, okay? Now also on the website, they show you the picture of the Vitamix, available colors to order, all the features, specifications, warranty, everything else shown on the picture box. Since you're ordering from their website and you're now educated about the product, it makes more sense to ship your Vitamix in a brown box, and many companies do this as well. Do the new Vitamix Ascent and Venturous Self-Detect 20-ounce cup and 8-ounce bowls fit the same blades? Let's take a look. When you buy the 20-ounce self-detect blending cup package, it comes with a set of blades. So I'm going to show you guys how it fits. Screws right in place, and that's all there is to it. Now the 8-ounce bowls also come in a package with blades, but you can also buy them without the blades for much cheaper, and it makes sense if you already have the 20-ounce cup kit. Now see, it screws right onto the blades without issue. Now, does it still make sense to buy two separate kits? Yes, if you're throwing a party and you'll be blending multiple small recipes, you can have two sets of blades ready for blending rather than washing the blades for each new blend. You guys have heard the term less is more, right? Yeah, of course. Okay. Now, it definitely pertains to this. Even Vitamix tells you to use too much water to wash your Vitamix container. Let me show you this trick. When using your Vitamix to wash your container, it's generally recommended to fill the container 1/3 to 1/2 full of water. But even less than that yields better results. Just filling the container 1/4 away produces this magical result. I'm going to add 2 drops of dish soap. I'm going to snap my lid in place, and I'm ramping up to the highest speed. Notice the washing machine effect. The soapy water bounces up and down from the blades to the lid plug, cleaning everything efficiently. Removing the lid plug, you can see the soapy water thoroughly wash the container all the way to the top. This time I'm going to fill the container half the way to show you guys what happens when you use too much water. A couple of drops of dish soap, and we're ready to wash. Right away you'll notice there's no washing machine effect, but the soapy water does look like it's washing all the way to the top, however. The truth is, it didn't wash all the way to the top. Now the lid plug cap is bone dry, not a drop of water hit it. Now this is because with too much water, it caused the Vitamix to spin the water around rather than bouncing it off the blades and pushing it to the top. In this case, less is more. Now you guys, I've tested many blending machines, and to be honest, Vitamix makes the best salsa and pico de gallo. Now it has 2 secret weapons, adjustable pulse speeds and the tamper. Now the truth is, many blenders on the market don't offer both features. It makes a big difference. Check this out from my old video. It's very easy to overblend when the blades are spinning too fast. Let me show you that. I'm going to pulse the button right down here. As you can already see, it's already very liquidy down here. Because the Ninja's blades are spinning so fast, some ingredients will get over-processed, turning out a soupy texture. So let's make a batch of pico de gallo. Now I'm putting in Roma tomatoes with the seeds removed, red onion, some chilies, cilantro, lime juice, kosher salt, and black pepper. I'm going to use the tamper to help process the ingredients. Now I'm going to start on variable speed 1 and periodically increase the speed 3 and toggling the pulse switch. Using the tamper, I'm pushing the top ingredients downwards so everything is blended equally to protect from overblending. And now I'm going to move to speed 2. And I'll move it to speed 3 to finish it off. Oh, okay, you guys, you can take a look at it here. Nice and chunky, and it took only 40 seconds. Absolutely amazing pico de gallo created because you have full control with the tamper and pulse speeds. Other brands like Ninja can only make soupy salsa and can't make pico de gallo because there's no way to adjust pulse speeds and there's no tamper on most models. Want to see the lovely Ninja again? Alright, now if you guys want to make this into a salsa, simply blend longer and perhaps at higher speeds. You can do this with any full-size Vitamix machine with variable speed control. As always, your continued support is appreciated, so please remember to click the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button to receive alerts when I put up new videos. And don't go away, you guys, I have one more announcement. Alright, you guys, thank you so much. Now, my Vitamix Tips, Tricks, and Hacks Part 1 video was so successful, and this is Part 2, but guess what? Yep, there's gonna be a Part 3. Now, I've got a bunch of these little tips, tricks, and hacks, and it's time for me to share, so stay tuned.